This new feature on YouTube is going to blow your mind. Sound the alarm. I kind of knew this was coming, but I'm happy to see that it's already here. And I've been preparing my clients and letting them know when they create their content libraries, which we talked about in another video, check that video out. Content library is that we need to start making sure that they also have this element, a podcast. So if you didn't know, my name is Jessica. I go with Just Speaks Digital. I am the producer to about 3 different podcasts right now, and possibly a 4th coming up here really soon. So I've been doing podcasts on YouTube for years now, but I am super excited that they finally listened and they took some heed, and look at this. So now when you go in the back end of your YouTube, if you go to content, you can see that there is an podcast section. So if you click here, let me move myself. If you click here, you can actually go ahead and upload your podcast episodes to a playlist. And what does that mean for us content creators? Let's say it together. More views. Yes, that's it, class. So if you aren't already utilizing that feature, or you don't have a video element to your podcast, add it now. Yes, that means you're going to get more views because they're pushing this new feature out.